Hello everyone exploring the world of cryptocurrencies and looking for lucrative opportunities. Today, you have a special chance not only to join one of the leading cryptocurrency exchanges, Kucoin, but also to secure an exclusive bonus. In this video, I'll explain how to get a bonus of up to 8,200 USDT for new users. Let's get started. To do this, you need to visit the Kucoin website and sign up using a special referral link, which you'll find in the description of this video, or enter the referral code during registration. Once you're on the site, the registration process will be simple. Enter your email address. If you use the link, the referral code QBA3UU4V should appear automatically. If it doesn't, just enter it manually, then agree to the terms and confirm your email. After that, create a strong password and click the Create Account button. Registration is complete, and Kucoin immediately credits the first bonuses to your account. To access the bonuses, go to the Rewards Center on the platform. Here, various tasks await you, completing which you'll receive prizes. Right after registering, you'll have access to a lottery where you can win up to $100. Simply choose one of 3 cards to reveal your prize. Continue to complete tasks to participate in the lottery and win up to 500 USDT. Besides, you will be given $200 in coupons after registering, which can be found in the coupons section. Additionally, you can get up to 500 USDT in futures trial funds by depositing and trading on the platform. Maximize your experience with Kucoin. By registering with our referral code, you receive a significant amount in rewards from the first seconds on the platform. This is more than just an offer, it's an invitation to join a platform that values its users and continuously strives to improve their trading experience. That's the end of this video. Thank you for watching. We wish you good luck, and may your experience with Kucoin be beneficial and prosperous.